Hey guys, if you like what you see on my channel, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel. So what I want to talk about today is spacer plates and how to make an engine crisp, strong, and responsive in making performance. Now in past videos we talked about performance in cranks, like balancing cranks like this here. We talked about case porting, ignitions, different clutches that we can use, cylinder porting. I did a few videos on cylinder porting for the Minarellis, squish, cylinder timing on a degree wheel. All these things affect performance and making a strong engine that's crisp, responsive, and performs well. So what I wanted to talk about this one point here is with the spacer plates. Some of the other vendors they make spacer plates and they use a ball nose to cut the spacer, and then they leave it with a flush edge, kind of like a cut like this. This is a ball nose cut. And what happens is, as the fuel charge gets pushed from inside the pressure of the case, it gets pushed upwards. This ledge is like blocks the area. So when I make spacer plates and I sell them on my site, I build them with this type of design so that it's more of a easy flow for the fuel charge to reach up through the cylinder onto the head. And I do this by porting the spacer plates. Here's a sample of mine, and I'll show you right in a sample here how to do it. This is how I port my spacer plates, and this is how I send them out off my website. Nice, smooth transition. So I'll give you a couple of examples of some of the engines that are running with some strong engine response. Okay, here's my spacer plate. It's now ported. You can see that it's got really nice transfer right through. There's nothing blocking. It comes right from the case pressure, and the charge just goes up and flows freely. Making an engine that engines are like vacuum cleaners. You have to make it flow volumes through it and out it as fast as you can. So to make your spacer so that it's free flowing is just one thing that a guy can do, and all of these things build up to a good, strong performance engine. This isn't the only thing that's going to be to make your engine perform, but this is one thing that you should be considering, and taking these plates and making it a better transition into your cylinder. This is a spacer plate that is it's just laser cut. It doesn't have any of the cutting on the top of it. I mean, I could almost put this on an engine and it would perform as well as this. This is definitely a way better to go, way better way to go. And that's what I do to my spacers. It's all about flow. And I just wanted to talk about, I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm going to do a video right away here on my new SAF Extreme Force clutch. And not just about the clutch, but my new bucking bar that I got installed. And it's a game changer. It's works really well. There's a lot less wear and tear into the system, and you get a large amount of throw out for adjustment with this new bucking bar, and I'm really happy to be able to share it with you guys and show it. So that'll be on my next video. Okay guys, again, if you like what you've seen on your videos, please like the videos, share them. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.